believe this beast on wheels is actually a van? This is the Streetster Xtreme, and trust me, you've never seen anything like it before. What you're about to witness is not just another custom build. It's the transformation of an everyday van into a full-blown street legend. A machine that bends the rules of design, power, and culture. Stick with me till the end because this ride is about to change everything. You thought you knew about vans. The first thing that grabs your attention is the stance. Low, wide, and aggressive, this van sits on the road like a predator ready to pounce. The body kit is sculpted with insane attention to detail. Every line, every vent, and every curve screams performance and attitude. It's got that futuristic look of a supercar, but it still carries the soul of a street machine. And then there's the graffiti-style paintwork, bold, rebellious, and unapologetically urban. It doesn't whisper for attention. It demands it. Now let's talk about that face. The front bumper looks like it was ripped straight out of a racing game. Sharp edges, massive air intakes, and a splitter that almost kisses the ground. The headlights are upgraded with piercing LED projectors that give it a menacing glare. Park this thing anywhere at night, and I promise, it'll steal the spotlight from every car around. But this is not just about looks. Under the hood, the Streetster Xtreme has the heart of a beast. Tuned and modified, it roars to life with the kind of energy that makes you forget you're driving a van. It's built to shock the doubters, built to smoke the stereotypes, and built to show that performance can come in all shapes and sizes. Whether it's cruising down the boulevard, tearing up the highway, or flexing at a car meet, this machine delivers thrills in every gear. And here's where it gets interesting, the wheels. Just look at those deep dish rims, wide, polished, and sitting perfectly under those flared arches. Wrapped in low-profile tires, they don't just complete the look, they redefine it. Pair that with a lowered suspension, and you get handling that feels tighter and sharper than any van has the right to. It hugs the road, corners like a sports car, and makes every drive an experience. Now step inside and the surprises keep coming. The interior of the Streetster Xtreme is not your typical van setup. We're talking about custom bucket seats, suede-wrapped panels, neon lighting, and an upgraded sound system that turns the cabin into a rolling concert. Whether you're behind the wheel or chilling in the back, the vibe is pure street culture, loud, proud, and unforgettable. This isn't just about transportation, it's about transformation. The Streetster Xtreme is a symbol of creativity, passion, and rebellion against the ordinary. It shows us that you don't need a luxury badge or a supercar, price tag to build something iconic. All you need is vision, dedication, and the courage to break the rules. Think about it. How many times have you seen a van turn heads like this? Usually vans are built for families, for carrying cargo, for blending into the background. But this is the complete opposite. It's built to stand out, to dominate, and to flip the script on what a van can be. It takes the concept of street culture and fuses it with performance engineering and visual artistry. And it's not just about showing off, it's about belonging to a culture. A culture of people who live for cars, who see them as more than machines, who treat them as canvases of self-expression. The Streetster Xtreme is a rolling piece of art, a rebellion on wheels, and a declaration of individuality. When this van rolls down the street, people don't just look, they stop. They pull out their phones. They take pictures. They ask questions. Because deep down, everyone recognizes that this isn't normal. This is extraordinary, and extraordinary always leaves a mark. Performance, style, culture, it's all here, wrapped into one machine. And that's what makes the Streetster Xtreme so special. It doesn't just break the mold, it smashes it into a million pieces. It proves that limitations only exist if you accept them. So whether you're into custom cars, street culture, or just love seeing something different, this van represents the future of creativity on wheels. It's not just a ride, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and maybe even a revolution. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this beast. The sun setting on the horizon, neon lights glowing on the streets, the engine roaring under your feet, and every head turning as you pass by. That's not just driving, that's living. That's what the Streetster Xtreme is all about. So now the question is, would you roll with it? Would you dare to drive something that breaks every rule, that challenges every stereotype, and that guarantees you'll never go unnoticed? Because this isn't for everyone. This is for the bold, the fearless, and the dreamers who refuse to blend in. The Streetster Xtreme isn't just a van. It's a legend in the making. And legends, as we know, never die. They only grow stronger with time.